Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I got me another pocket knife that I just finished here today to show off to y'all. It's another one of my country gentleman patterns. Specs, so basically all the same, 3 3/4 inches long in the closed position and 6.5 inches long when it's open. Blade and back spring is CPM 154. Did a hand sanded finish there on the blade. And I did a 400 grit belt finish on the bevels. Listen to me, on the swedges. Got black brass liners inside the spring. Did 400 grit belt finish on it. Did some file work on the liners once again. Turned out nice and even. Of course, the handle material is ivory G10 with a burlap, micarta shield and bolsters. Of course, I have brass pins, a bird's eye style pivot, the brass bushing and nickel silver hinge pin there. Has a nice walk and talk. I got the action. Feels pretty good, has a nice snap. And when it's open, it doesn't flop into the half stop position. It holds itself pretty good. But the pull is what I'm real pleased with. I got a nice easy pull on it, in my opinion anyways. That's somewheres in the 4 or 5 range, I would think. It might be a 5, I don't know, but compared to previous pulls I've been getting, that feels so much better. You don't feel like you're going to break your fingernail or anything like that whenever trying to open the old sucker. But anyways, just me bumping my gums, I reckon. Overall, I'm quite happy with it. This has been a look at my country gentleman pattern. I do thank y'all for stopping by and watching. And if you liked the video, consider giving it a like. If you want to follow along on my knife making journey, consider subscribing. I hope y'all are having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.